Did you know one man served 5 English kings and never lost a single battle in 70 years? William Marshall began as a landless younger son in 1167, forced to earn his fortune through combat. But this wasn't just any knight. In tournaments across Europe, he captured over 500 knights for ransom, personally unhorsing 180 opponents. His sword decided the fate of England itself. When King John died, Marshall crowned the 9-year-old Henry III and became regent of the entire kingdom. French forces invaded, seeing weakness in a child king. Marshall was 70 years old, but he wasn't finished. At the Battle of Lincoln, he led a cavalry charge that shattered the French army completely. At age 73, he was still winning battles that saved England. When he died peacefully in 1219, he had shaped English history for nearly a century. 3 kings owed their crowns to his loyalty. One man's unbreakable honor preserved a throne through decades of chaos.